Okay. Hi, Kriti. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I am doing well, I would say. That is my prompt response, though my day has been a bit sluggish and underproductive, I would say. I have not been studying, though I have an exam tomorrow and I should be studying right now. But all I want to do have conversation with you beautiful people. And how have you been, Kriti?
That's a great thing, ma'am, that you have find out some time for me. And tomorrow is your exam because it is quite difficult that someone has exam tomorrow and that are finding time.
No, that's completely fine. I really wanted to have a conversation with you yesterday, and I hope that construction work is completed, like done and dusted at your place.
I don't know exactly because I have not checked out, but yeah, this time it is quite clear. I think so. I think so. Labor went to for have their food. So
Okay.
that's why I think
They might have gone for their meal. Yeah, right. Sure. So
yeah.
how have you been? Like my day has been
I have
sluggish. Your day?
It's been quite good. You can say it is quite hot here in North India. So I'm facing little bit. I'm also feeling little sweating. So it's okay for me.
So is it humid there or just hot?
Yeah, it is. No, it is humid too.
Okay, that is why you must be sweating a lot. Stay
Yeah.
hydrated, I would say.
But
Keep
I just bring the bottle.
Yeah.
Uh, Whenever I bring the bottle in front of me, and it just within half an hour, it just get hot.
Okay. Then you can use those earthen pots, right? We have matkas, we call them. No,
I I use only that water only. I do not drink freeze water.
I also, neither do I. Okay. So,
Okay.
they tell me, when did you start your YouTube channel and how come you got to know about me? I just want to know about it also.
Okay, so I have started my YouTube channel in the month of October,
Okay.
and if you will go to my YouTube channel, I did not take lots of session with learner, co-learner. I have taken, I think so, more than 50 session minimum,
50
and because yeah, 50,
with
50,
with
uh, with with co-learner, some tutor also
Okay.
means
Okay.
yeah. So I did it, and I saw your YouTube video with Roshan Escape, sir. He's also from Bihar.
Yes, I know.
So I love the way you was talking. So I thought, why not I connect with you? I will also learn lots of things because I see the discussion between you and Roshan sir was very amazing. I just it was it was very impressive for me. So I thought, why not I connect with
Actually, thank you so much. Your curiosity is appreciable, actually, because you found me out, you tried to connect with me, then you had sent a mail. So I was also eager to connect with you, but then time doesn't permit you all the things at once. So that is how I was juggling with things. Right now, also, I'm juggling with studies and this. So I'm just trying to, just prepare for my exams today. And we might have another conversation in this month only. I'm looking forward. Okay, Kriti.
Ma'am, please give your introduction. So,
Okay, I will, but I want you to give your introduction first.
okay. Okay, so my name is Kriti. I'm basically from Bihar. I'm residing in UP due to my education. I'm pursuing my master in commerce as well as I run my YouTube channel also. And my hobbies are to do some paintings and enjoy reading books. That's all about me.
Quite wonderful. So, hi, Kriti and everyone. My name is Rupal. I'm a high school English teacher and content creator. So, teaching is my full time job, and content creation is what I do because I love doing it. And my channel name is Rupal's English Corner, where I've been making videos and content related to English language learning for past 8 months. I have been trying to build my channel and learn with people like you because I like to have conversations in my leisure time. Whenever I get some free time, I like to go for a swim session, cook a meal, or maybe read some books or dance or just listen to music.
It's great to know, ma'am, that you are very open-minded. that you always want to share your knowledge with everyone.
Yeah, and also want to take
Because
knowledge from other people.
I was little bit confused when I was mailing you that I'm not a good speaker. Would you will connect with me or not? So it was little bit in my mind, but I did not say anything. But I said, let's see how it goes. Ma'am will accept on me or not.
Please do not call
But
me
you accepted the.
people, and you are already a very good speaker. You just need to polish. We all need to polish.
Required, but I'm very new to this journey, so I feel like underconfident here. I
It's
am not very open to talk and ice break the situation. So this is
completely
little bit
fine.
things.
You will be doing better. You'll be doing better. With time, everything will be better. Okay. You'll be speaking like a native. If you keep doing this, if your journey goes like this, you will surely speak like a native. And okay, Kriti, so
I hope
what gave you this confidence to start a YouTube channel?
Okay, so the confidence I get that just to make myself consistent, because sometimes we start any journey, but we left in between. So I thought, why not to upload my flaws as well as I am whatever my, if someone is facing like me problems, so they will connect with me that how I'm learning, so they can learn from my side. So in the starting, I started connecting with tutors, some as well as some co-learner also that I talk to them. So I built some confidence from that. That today I'm able to speak. Even I'm speaking wrong, I know, but yeah, I just get the confidence. Even I'm speaking wrong, but I thought that I'm able to whatever I want to. So this is the thing that I get the confidence, and it's been I think so more than 4 months I have started my channel.
Okay. So that's quite nice that you have already started and you accept your flaws. Okay. That I might make mistakes, but eventually I will learn from my mistakes and will, work on them to improve them. That is one thing, that one quality is to be, is to learn from you, I would say. Okay, so I'll just share this thing. I was always scared when I started this channel. Unlike you are very confident, I would say. I was very scared. Okay, I would always feel this fear of judgment all the time, that what if people will judge me? Okay, I would feel that if somebody will comment on my channel, that why have you started a YouTube channel when you are not good at it, when you are not perfect at it? So I was not a bit, I was very underconfident. But now, when I'm listening to you and when I'm talking to people like you, I'm having my second conversation today. So I feel I did the very right thing to start a channel of my own so that I can get to talk to people like you and learn from you. Mhm.
That's an amazing thing, man, that you are doing these days, and your channel is growing. I have watched your channel videos you made with Roshan sir. You have uploaded that video also.
Yes.
So I watched them. I completely enjoyed that video.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was so kind of you.
And before And before that, you was making solo video, I think so. And now you have started to connect with, I think, learners.
Yes, so to be honest, I was never into making conversational videos, and I was not even getting time to make or record or shoot long videos and edit them because I have a full-time job. I have told this because people ask me on my, this journey thing, that why don't you upload frequently? So I just tell them that I have a full-time job and it gets really difficult for me to manage time. That is me who is not being able to manage time because I have a lot of other things to do as well. So recording a video, then editing it takes a lot of my time. Okay, like I told you one thing, no? I like to have my things, I would get so-called perfect. If my thing is not doing well and I'm not sounding well, I won't be able to upload it. I had such mindset, but now I'm getting rid of this mindset totally. Okay, I just have to do it. Okay, I would say I care, but I try to avoid these things. Okay, that it's okay even if I make mistakes. People should know that even we make mistakes. Okay, so that they can also look forward to make videos and speak. Okay, so understanding that is why I was not making. Now, when I have started making conversational videos, what happens when you have to make a conversational video with someone? You need to have a mutual time. Okay, like there must be a time where you and I both are free and we can have a conversation. So I was not being able to adjust my timings according to that. That is why there was such a delay in my conversational videos. But now I'm planning to have as many conversational videos as I can.
That is great thing that you have opened for that, that now you should start your because I have seen that many of learners learn from the conversation video, real life conversation, how we are doing.
Mm.
Only just telling, spreading knowledge is not enough. They want something extra, that how people, real life people talk with each other. So I have observed this thing that people like this kind of video. So
Absolutely.
ma'am, I would like to, yeah, ma'am, I would like to know that what you are teacher. So from how long you are teaching and how
So
you learn this English language?
Okay, Kriti. So a very nice and I would say a predictable question, but I would say I decided to be a teacher when I was in my college. It was not pre-planned from my school days, but I decided, and I learned English over the time. I made mistakes. I was judged. I felt inferior. And of course, I made blunders while speaking, while writing, while conversing, every time. Okay. So it's very normal to do that. So when I was, in my college days, I saw that people are having a very good communication, very good command. Okay. Over the language. And they are openly communicating. They're using the skills, and this communication skill, this English language learning helps you everywhere, be it interviews, be it classrooms, be it college, institute, offices, everywhere. So I realized this thing, and then I started, reading certain books and exploring YouTube and listening to people who are talking and then talking to people. So it was really difficult for me to find out people who are actually interested in speaking to me in English, because we are native Hindi speakers. So no matter how much we try and we keep on speaking English, until and unless we are doing it every day, we will, sometime or the other, we will speak in Hindi. Okay. We have this tendency, like you and I, even if we make a rule, okay, Kriti, that we will talk in English from today only, but just for today, and then the next day we'll start talking in Hindi. It automatically comes to us, right? So we are not doing it on purpose. So that is what. But then I made this pact that no, I want to start talking in English, even if I'm talking only a bit and just with 1 to 2 people, I'll keep doing it. If it's broken, if it's bad, it's completely fine, but I'll not stop talking. Okay. And if you talk about my teaching journey has started just 1 year ago. I'm a fresher teacher. I completed my bachelor in education from NCERT Bhopal in 2023 only. And in 2024, I started teaching at a school. And now I would say it has been 1 year and the journey has been fruitful and I would say wonderful. And I love my students and I hope they do it too.
You are teaching in a private
Yes,
school.
yes.
So,
I am teaching in
so
a.
there is a so there will be compulsory to speak only in English, I think so.
I would say it is compulsory, but I will also add this one thing, that there are many schools who make this thing compulsory to speak in English, but this thing doesn't take place all the time. Okay, even if we try to speak, even if we try to speak in English, someone or the other will speak in Hindi or in the native language. Okay, then we automatically turns to Hindi. Okay, this happens, but we try to encourage and motivate students to speak in English. Okay, always, because I teach English medium school, so I always try to encourage students to speak in English.
That is good thing. Then they will learn this spoken English also, because in
Yeah.
school we give the environment so child will not face this kind of problem in their college life. What I thought that if we have learned from our child,
You must have
yeah.
faced it. I have also faced it. So I can totally resonate with you right here. Because when we were in school, we never got that environment to speak in English or use that language frequently or even on daily basis. So when we went to college, we knew nothing about it. So when somebody was speaking completely in English with us, we were not being able to answer them or reply them. right? It happens with
Yeah. And my friend was not comfortable with to speak with me or speak with classmates. They said, "Oh, just come on, speak with our native language. Why always? It is not our school that all the time we have to speak only in English." So we end up by doing our speak with native language. So this is the big issue. I thought that people face a lot.
True, happens that our
Being
friends don't cooperate. Yeah, true. Sometimes it's
being
not
an English
their
medium.
mistake. It's not even their mistake, Kriti. They are also, they are also in that environment where they have never spoken, English all the time. So when something like this, very fresh and new concept come to them, like we will talk in English from now onwards, they feel a bit off, you know. So that why do we have to do that? We are very comfortable in speaking a native language. Okay, why do you want to speak in English all the time? I can totally understand. I have faced this issue as well.
Tomorrow plan is tomorrow you said that your exam is there. So which exam you are giving and how you will react, means how you will perform, because you are saying that you will not study anymore. So how you will do that?
I don't know how will I perform, but I hope I'll perform good because I have to. I have my English literature exams. This is my fourth semester, my last semester, and I have a first exam tomorrow. Okay, so the syllabus and the paper is a bit complex. So I'm just trying to get a hold over the syllabus so that I can start studying and write something in the paper. Though you must
All
be.
the best for your exam.
Thank you so much.
For
Thank you so much. Okay, so
I hope that you will perform best.
Thank you, thank you. So you are in your first year, second year?
I'm in my second year.
Okay, and what are your future plans? It's completely okay if you do.
Same as you.
As same as me, you're planning to go for English literature?
Not for English literature, but I will go for teaching line. Means
Wow.
I will pursue my career in teaching.
Okay, so like right now you're pursuing your BA or BCom? BCom.
BCom.
Okay. Okay.
No, I'm pursuing my master in communist MCom.
Okay, you're pursuing your master's now. Okay, I'm also pursuing my master's in English right now. Okay.
So after completing your B.Ed, you have doing the master plan?
So after completing my B.Ed, I enrolled myself for my master course. And then after completing a year, then I started a job. And now and then I submit my
That's a
submissions. And then I give, and I'm doing both the things. I'm doing my degree as well, and I am working also.
What you are thinking about future? Your YouTube as well as your career.
Okay, so if you talk about career, teaching is my choice, so I would never leave that. Okay, I'll always be a teacher, be it on YouTube, be it a school teacher, be it a tutor, tuition, anywhere. I'll always be a teacher. Okay, at home also my mother tells me that you are being a teacher at home also don't be. So I'm trying to improve. Okay, so I'll be a teacher. I don't know where life will take me. Things just don't go always as we plan. So I just hope whatever comes, I will enjoy it. And I'm trying to build my YouTube channel as well.
I very great ahead for that, ma'am, that you build 1,000 subscribers within 1 month. Every month, I will say you get 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you, Kriti. You're so
Because
sweet.
you are speaking, because you are so kind speaker, and I hope that people will love your way of speaking. And even I am enjoying throughout the session. So why not other will enjoy?
Actually, because you are being so kind on me while saying this. I appreciate this, and I really love to have conversation with such co-learners who are so eager to learn. Like I had a session with one of one of these ladies, and she's a homemaker. Okay. And she came out of her comfort zone and started having a conversation with me. So that's quite commendable when such people come out and talk to people about their English language journey, that how did they do it. So that's what the best part about YouTube is. Everybody is trying their way out.
Seen that people from and there is a no age limit for learning. People from all age limit coming out of their comfort zone and learning this language.
Actually.
Even that can be a toddler even it can be a teenager or adult or homemaker, whatever they are, at their stage, they are learning well.
True. Absolutely. Absolutely. Everybody should, because learning is not defined by age. So we can learn at any age. That is true.
Yeah, we have to think that where the first step is very difficult. What I have experienced from my journey, that first step felt like difficult, but after the first step, it become easy after some time.
That is what I was telling you. Once you come out of your comfort zone, then it becomes easier. It might feel difficult in the initial phase, but once you are out of it, once you cross that stage, you feel good about yourself, you feel confident, and you feel, I can do these things, which I felt I would never be able to do. Right? That is what happened.
Yeah, same. I will recommend all the learners that they come out from their comfort zone and learn this, that we should only initial stage is difficult. After that, we will be uh, it will become easy for us.
True. Okay, Kriti, thank you so much. It was such a great time talking to you. You're a very sweet and humble human. Let's meet.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving precious time that you have find out some time for me. I was not hoping, but when you messaged me that we have a conversation and we schedule the time, that I was eagerly waiting for that. So thank you so much for that. And I hope that we will connect some days after.
Surely. Bye bye. Bye bye.